Yeah, yeah. Go. What's up guys, it's me, Dana, back for a new video. And yes, today is August 18, 3 p.m. na. And mag-ato ta og Ayala today because mag-attend ta og photography workshop. And guys, I'm really excited kaayo kay naa si ako ang favorite nga photographer, si BJ Pascual. And I think mag-conduct siya og workshop later. So yeah, diba? So excited na kayo ko. And yes, if kailan naman ako, diba, I'm really into photography, dude. So yeah, ni-attend ko because I want to hone my skills. And tomorrow sad nasad kayo attendan nga photo walk. So yeah, so excited na kayo guys. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!
A few moments later.
Gawa ko is na manual focus. Kasi lalo na pag maliit yung focusing, medyo mahirap siya makita. So manual focus, na-switch to manual. Then halos, parang shoot din ako, meron akong shutter release. Kasi every movement na gawin ko dito, nakikita. Diba kita? Ganyan lang. Na-shoot ko lang yung light ko doon. So na-create na ako, kahit inside the studio lang ako, nag-create ako ng medyo mas natural feel ng ilaw. Okay? Same with ito. Kung nakita niyo yung shot, kita niyo yung background mo, meron akong parang spots of light lang. Para mas natural din yung feel ng light.
Combines speed with resolution. It's kind of like a combination of the resolution of the A7R2 and the speed of the A9. What I like about it is that I don't miss a beat when I'm shooting. So when it comes to fashion, the model is moving a lot, so you have to take as much as you can. Like, especially sometimes those in between moments are the moments that count. So with the A7R3, I can take a lot of pictures while also keeping the resolution high. I am BJ Pascual and I'm a fashion photographer.
How you execute your ideas. So I am gonna go through some things I learned, not from school, but from working for 10 years in the industry. So before anything else, I'm gonna start with my backstory. So, ayan. Yan pala yung title nyo. Okay, so I grew up in General Trias, Cavite, which is during that time an hour and a half away from Manila. So very provinsyano talaga ako nung ng bata. Kasi parang marami nagsasabi na parang, ay kaya lang naman sumikat yan kasi friends na yung mga artista, ganyan. In reality, wala talaga akong kilala. When I started, I was a provincia boy. Like, dati na-excite na ako pag mga once every 3 months pupunta kaming Manila. Na-excite na ako doon. Pupunta na kaming Glorieta sa mall. So when I was in high school, super geeky ko. Next slide. Ayan. Ako yan dati. Noong high school. So guys, may pag-asa pa. So yeah, I was super geeky when I was in high school, grade school and high school. Super hilig ko mag-computer and I wasn't very social. I like to keep to myself and my computer, yun yung parang heaven ko. Yung bata ako, yung dad ko, sinasabi sa akin palagi. Pag bakasyon, kasi hindi ako lumalabas ng kwarto talaga. Nasa computer lang ako, I usually make websites or make graphics, ganyan. Sabi sa akin ng dad ko, sabi ko, kumusta naman yung bakasyon mo sa World Wide Web? Tapos tawag niya sa akin, ermitanyo. Magaling mag-ilaw, technically. Maraming may alam yan. Kasi madali lang. Actually ngayon, kahit hindi ka na mag-aral, makikita mo na sa internet yung mga basic lighting setups or yung basic theories in photography. Ako nga nung college, tingnan ko lang siya sa sa library. Nung nag-aaral ako ng international studies kasi mga readings namin noon dati. Mga 300 pages, ganyan, for the week. So, for 2 days, ganyan. So, pag nagbe-break ako, I would read photography books. Anyway, so ang daming resources to learn how to properly light or yung mga technical mga theories in photography. And you also go to school for it. I mean, marami ng ganyan, but your vision, I mean, your ideas, that's what will set you apart from all the others. Kasi lahat ng inaral ng mga theories, ano man yan, lahat ng lighting setups na yan, kahit ituro ko lahat sa inyo yung lighting setups na alam ko, mas mag-matter kung ano yung nasa isip nyo, kung ano yung maibubugan at kung ano yung ibibigay nyo na iba, na wala yung ibang photographer. So, I always say this, your ideas are what make you stand out from everyone else. Yun talaga yung binabayaran sa inyo. Yung ideas.
So, hi guys! Nami karon diri sa Ayala. No? So, niabot na siya daw akong kauban.
Taray ko na ko layasan siya afterwards. So, sorry.
Anad naman sad ko.
So,
Wala pa yun si Putang isa.
kuhan, butas siya.
Asam siya?
Nag-drawing. Gicolor. Oh, so may ko na.
Wala lang.
Ako inform kailangan natin siya script or anything. So, this is what we call this photo photography workshop and I am pretending to be a photographer. So, nagkanaw na lang ko. There, pero we just got in from BJ Pascual's talk on fashion photography. So, you get to learn a lot from being in the industry, and how to be professional.
Kayo.
Agad. So,
Nandiyo yung nakatunan.
Agad nakatanan, mga POT din mo. Pero tanawa, i-focus sa pikas. Nag-andam na sila for the next.
Next na nakuhaan, Fujifilm.
Yeah, it's for the portrait workshop.
Yeah, Fujifilm na ang next. Dagan kayo ang tao. Pero actually, naganina na silang pen.
Seryoso.
Hi po, for my vlog. I just want to ask some questions. How do you handle pressure from every shoots?
Pressure, actually in my mind, sobrang nape-pressure ako. Pero apparently, sinasabi rin ng tao dito ako mukhang nape-pressure. So I guess chill lang ako. I just really try to get the job done. Parang yun yung number one sa isip. Kasi minsan pag iniisip mo yung ibang bagay, mas nasa-stress ka lang.
Last. Kasi I worked with, during my college kasi I was with my like campus press.
Okay.
Tsaka we did,
Ako din.
we did some
When I was in
like,
high school.
like parang magazines, fashion issues, pero hindi namin nagawa kasi lack of time. So you like parang, kasi like parang, hindi lumalabas yung mga creative juices namin. Parang ganun.
Actually, sometimes,
How to find them, parang ganun.
ako rin sometimes, hindi mo rin kasi pwedeng pilitin yung inspiration eh. But I think, minsan, like, yung mga best ko na ideas, minsan I just stumble upon them. Like, minsan, makikita mo lang sa tabi-tabi. Or minsan, like, kahit sa YouTube lang, you're watching like a super un-fashion related video and then may idea kong nakita doon. Yun, minsan, super random talaga siya. But just try to keep your eyes and your mind open to a lot of things. Yun, I think. Thank you. Thank you.
Fan.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So, yes. So
Nangurog ko.
Achieve.
So nangurog ko.
Dili kay tanto, kaya kay kapot pa pala kita manguro. So, achieve. Congratulations. So, nag-andam ko pa sa next. Wala. Mas ko di ko kamo.
Wala ko yung maingon.
Raan style. No? Everything's outside, so before you turn on your camera, you can already set your settings. Unlike most SLRs, kinanglan mo yung on, and then you have to fiddle with your settings. But then, Fujifilm evolved further. Because there are people who doesn't want to use these dials, di ba? The younger generation doesn't want to use this. You can still assign buttons. Instead of shutter speeds being here, I can assign it in front. Instead of aperture to be here, tuyok sa lens, I can assign it at the back. Diba? So, everything you like, you can customize with our cameras. Okay? For the XH1 or XT2, it's the 56 and the 90 mm. Na po ang go-to lens. This is my plus sync speed, and maybe aperture. I'd like to start with 4.
What can you say for those who want to start the business? Or for those who want to parang yun, mag-start lang sa ano?
Okay, get inspired, no? Get inspiration out there. There are a lot of good photographers to get inspiration from, and of course, you have to start with Fujifilm.
Yeah, ako gusto rin kung tama mo tanaw. Kanang advice sa kanang gusto mag-switch.
Okay, advice. Well, it's not too late, no? You get Fujifilm now, and I'm sure your picture's gonna be better.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir. Hi guys! So nahuman na ang workshop, and yes, dahan di ko nakatulan sa tulo ka photographers kay na-late man ko. So, yeah, ganda ko naman. So, naa si BJ Pascual, which is ang ako ang kuan ka na favorite fashion photographer, and yes, dahan di kayo nakatulan niya. And one thing, Jude, is you have to really start small, Jude. They really have small beginnings, humble beginnings, Jude kayo. And yes, hopefully. And yeah, tomorrow sa is mag-appeal like ko og photo walk. And yes, kaganina ka wala day ko kayo ka record of footage because ulo na ikuan kayo ko kanang giganahan kayo ko sa mga talks, and wala na ko wala na siya ka vlog. So yeah, hopefully kuan na siya I will pull it out. So yeah, bye guys.
Derp derpity derp 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 derp